If you've ever been in a situation where you've looked at your computer desktop and realized that you have a million items there and it is getting really cluttered and you feel like it's time to reorganize, what I wanted to demonstrate today are multiple options for any everyday people or users within an organization to establish quick and easy ways to create efficiency around their content and really access it with ease on their desktop. The first option would be simple file creation and labeling items, placing them in certain places that you may feel are more appropriate for you or maybe tailored to you. The second option is more for developers or software engineers, possibly compressed folders, something that will allow you to manage all of your content and file types within your developer program, such as Visual Studio and stuff like that. The third option would be quick access to items on your toolbar or start menu. What I wanted to do today is demonstrate and provide a visual breakdown of each of these steps and items so that you can further enhance your desktop. So what I wanted to show you today is really what we can do with organization on a Mac and how you can organize to where your content is accessible and you actually have options for sharing so that everything is simplified. The first item and what I did was actually create a folder called Photos, and by doing this, all I did was select a new folder and it creates a new folder. This one I don't need, I'm going to get rid of, but within that folder, another item or a way of expanding upon organizing your content is placing name identifiers within these columns, date modified, the size and kind of document. You can actually right click and add date created, blast open, date added, multiple other options. The other way to actually organize your content is within your dock, and this is something that is widely known on a Mac to be quick and accessible, efficient, and something that if you're in the workplace, it makes your life easier as far as accessing your content. So what I like to have is an applications folder and a documents folder. This allows me to expand upon what folders I have within folders. So for example, you may have multiple items that need to be embedded within a certain location. This will allow you to actually just click the documents folder and it expands these folders so that you can actually drill down and access your items. The other option is your actual application folder. You can actually add applications in here. They're easy to access and it's all managed within this one folder instead of having multiple items in your dock. What I like to have is simple items that I can access that I may use more often than not. If there's something I don't use, I just remove it from my dock. So with that, why not have an option for organization? Mac offers that. I know Windows offers that. There are several other items that will allow you to expand further, but with these simplified options, it will allow you to be more organized at work, at home, access your content in a more simplified manner. So with that, one of the scenarios I'm always faced with at work is I have employees coming to me and asking questions, or I need to reference something, and it's nice to be able to go in and pull something out of my documents folder or on my desktop and sort by the date I created it or search by a keyword. So in this instance, why wouldn't you want to have organization in your desktop? It does get cluttered at times when you start adding items, but in the end, it makes things more simplified and makes your life easier.